Well, let's now take you to the latest developments taking place in Kolkata, where there have been protests ever since the horrific crime in which a junior doctor was raped and murdered while on duty at the RG Kar hospital there. And let's go across to Tanushka now for more. And Tanushka, today as well, if we talk about, the various developments, we've seen that the doctors are protesting outside the Health Ministry. They led a march and held a protest there. The Congress protesting as well outside the police, police station, and so several protests continuing. Doctors are determined to continue with this agitation. Meanwhile, the former principal was summoned by the CBI for questioning for a sixth time. All right, we will try and connect with Anushka, but let's...
Gargi, so as you can see behind me, the resident doctors and the resident doctors' body of the RG Kar Medical Hospital are continuing to protest. They've taken to the street and they've occupied this entire stretch by sitting here in protest. You can see the visuals. Most of them are wearing black as a symbol of protest. And this is right outside the Swasthya Bhavan, which is the Health Minister's office in Kolkata. And they are waiting. They've sent in a delegation, a 5-member delegation has gone to meet with the Health Secretary with their demands and to also raise questions as to, why has there been no strict action that has been taken against the former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, as well as you can see some of the placards that they are holding here, which reads that the new principal of RG Kar Medical Hospital and College is missing. So these are also some questions that they are asking at this point, that where is this new principal as well? Why is she not standing in solidarity with the movement? Because the movement at this point has become much beyond and moved beyond just it being about doctors and doctors' safety at workplace, but also about women's safety at large. What we must understand is that the general public in Calcutta is angry right now. The sentiment is very high, and every day Calcutta is still seeing protests. There are multiple protests across the city. Later in the day today, even Saurav Ganguly will be joining the student movement and the resident doctors movement in a protest. What we also know right now is that we're waiting for the delegation to come out with their response after their meeting with the health secretary. And further on, the main plan of action that the resident body at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital is maintaining is that they will wait. They will wait until tomorrow for the CBI to get with their report. Let us see if we can start talking to some people here. Ma'am, what is your name?
I'm Dr. Dipanvita Biswas.
All right, doctor. So we understand you're here for the main context of being justice.
Yeah.
But as a woman doctor yourself, this movement, how do you think it has gone beyond now?
The movement has gone beyond by the authorities. We don't want it to go beyond. We have just one agenda and one aim, that is justice for Abhaya.
And the delegation that has gone inside right now, what have they gone inside with? What are their main concerns that they will be raising with the health secretary?
Sorry, who?
The delegation of doctors that has gone in, what is their main concerns that they're raising with the health secretary?
Right now, concerns are many, but if we keep on focusing on that, then it's going to get diluted and diffused. Our agenda and our concern is only one thing: to arrest the culprit and put them behind the bars. Otherwise, we are not going back into the duty.
Thank you so much. So here a doctor very clearly stating that they will not go back into duty unless and until all the accused in the case, all the culprits are found and they are punished. Back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Tanushka, for joining us with all those developments. And as Tanushka said, Saurav Ganguly also planning to join the protest today. And currently, a delegation of the doctors has gone in to hold a conversation inside the Health Ministry where they are holding the protest.